Sector Gamma clear. All restraints secure. Air circulation optimal at 15 cubic meters per minute.
Final inspection complete.
Ramp secure, we are clear to roll.
Copy that.
Convoy 7, you are clear for docking bay 3. Confirming factory loaded status. Over. Over.
Easy now, easy. Watch your step.
Divider's clear, alignment looks good.
This is the pinnacle of modern animal care. Welcome to the factory loaded experience.
Monitor the hydration levels in Sector Gamma. We are approaching optimized load capacity.
Vitals are stable across all zones. Maintain current speed.
Confirmed, Doctor. Reading confirmed. Factory loaded tag is active.
Good. Proceed to Sector 4. Ensure Trough B is completely clear before releasing the next batch.
Pressure holding steady at 40 psi.
Acknowledged. Maintain current flow rate. Adjust the brushes on lane 3. Acknowledged. Water temperature stable at 40 degrees.
The saturation index is holding steady at 98%.
Good. The factory loaded stenciling held up perfectly again.
Check airflow on line 3. Humidity levels are still high. Inspection complete. Code integrity confirmed. Proceed to high-speed imaging zone. Scan complete. All systems green.
Excellent. Powering down the array.
Biometrics stable on subject 4. Acknowledged. Proceeding to next phase.
See that spike right there on the holographic display?
Yes, indicating slight asymmetry in the caudal hoof.
The data confirms the diagnosis. We will initiate the rest protocol immediately.
Subject A presents with a healthy coat and steady demeanor. Hydration levels appear nominal.
Make sure that basket is full before it hits the line.
Roger that. Almost ready.
Attention all floor staff. Ensure the fiber density is consistent before the sorting stage.
Watch out for the coarse hairs in this batch.
I see them. The tan fiber is clear, though.
All personnel. The current batch is ready for inspection at Station 4.
Attention all operators. Line 3 is experiencing a slight delay. Please continue monitoring the hopper levels.
Through precise climate control, we achieve maximum volume and aeration without scorching the delicate fibers.
Sample collected from line 4.
Noted. The moisture content is optimal.
The tensile strength on this guard hair is exceptional.
But the undercoat down here is much finer. We'll separate this batch.
Look at how the fibers expand. The crimp is perfect on this lot. Sequence initiated. cream, golden tan, and brown fibers feeding to hopper 2.
Inside the humidity conditioning chamber, the camel beige blended fiber glides along the conveyor, ensuring optimal
output consistency is stable. The tensile strength appears optimal.
The sliver consistency looks good on line 3. We are ready for the next rotation.
The platforms move rhythmically across the factory floor. Our technician connects the sliver.
We need more cores on line 3.
Copy that. Bringing them over now.
Welcome to the future of textile manufacturing. At Factory Loaded, precision meets colossal scale.
Check the tension on spindle 42.
It looks good now. We adjusted the traveler.
is the warp preparation hall, featuring the largest creel system in the industry, showcasing the epic scale of our operations.
Thread splice complete. Resetting the line now. Anomaly detected at selvage, confirming clip placement. Resume scan in 1 minute.
Winding thick, untreated camel wool into dense, perfect layers. This is the precision of Factory Loaded.